This is a cinder paver coated with Moisture Shield. As you can see, there's no change to the visible appearance. But Moisture Shield has been added. We're now going to add water so that you can see the capillary action of the concrete and how Moisture Shield will actually stop it from reaching the top. It's now sitting in water. I'm going to add some more water to it. This is how Moisture Shield will protect your floors from water coming up through the surface and ensure that you have a proper bond of your flooring materials.